Say with your first story. Ababa be told you say Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko buku no. Omu players ne dodo na no omani ingenieur ma ekoso ewa Asante Kotoko buku ni. Enti reportedly any clients tie ne say Abranti friend say Samuotenedu ana Emmanuel entwidie. Yate so mako kacha Asante Kotoko company for say Omunya yankombe free Asante Kotoko buku ni because of playing time. Na Peter Kwame du so reporter yensa kan ye say ono ankasa ni agency no ene ne management akwa kunya club e di abre Asante Kotoko some person mo Asante Kotoko ton na boy ni dey ready say ofri Asante Kotoko buku ni sa so na eye Mohammed Kamara Asante Kotoko goalkeeper no Asante Kotoko company for abona say ankomu nyina betima reach agreement na wetimi extend the contract no to date Abranti and intimi fa na adwe ma Asante Kotoko office ni bisusu aba Asante Kotoko hwe samba o no the nkomo no positive or they compare other players now so big so far Samuel Tenedu Emmanuel Entry Peter Kwamidu ana Mohammed Kamara omo anomu situation no e wo ho se dem de tudwa no mama nti o kakra
Kwame first of all mama shas here from Kamara any Pitamidu akwa situation no. Kwame say ohwe Kumasi Asante Kotoko boku no. Now these players we are talking about me maka time and again say mama shas here from Kamara. These foreigners are moba Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And paying bebre ayo moba free no Kwame. In paying bebre na omo sanso ko free.
Yeah. Based on the SEC pay.
President said the honum the SEC na nseyame yehu most of them are mobile free no aya no mo san so person mo ko free ye sha sia ye nko ye chi bebre Steven Dasimu Kwala Kumasi Asante Kotoko na ehia striker e sha sia so mo ni Mukwala di nkomo omo di nkomo na ma player ni gitum so obeba bisi akan dia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But so obeba bisi akan Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the question was ebreben eno obeba management no mo drink say season no mo na di nkomo ma na si na oba Mukwala amasa season no amesi akan fa Kotoko. The following season Steven Dasimu Kwala ama amesi akan fa Kotoko. Yet na mpanifo gusu ni di nkomo omo di nkomo na na de kokosi ye ne say na obeso finish the contract e woni Timothy akan wo mu Uganda nsa na obeba awaba eventually owie contract no owie no obepie mu Kumasi Asante Kotoko oba obe sign 2 years ma Kotoko just like now was sign 2 years their money former club obo first year Kumasi Asante Kotoko wie and omo chance so woni need contract extension hon komo omo di nkomo no a ewi ase no Steven Dasimu Kwala extend the contract no or sign to free Kumasi Asante Kotoko bobo him free. Anything that make us say a lot of these foreign nationals our moba Kumasi Asante Kotoko babi si akan our moba free no and paying bebre no omo ko mo sanko free
nti hu ne say Kamara be ko free ana
o pese wo ko free
ono ne pe
yes
by say still na no under contract don't mean fa ne pe ko free on
yes
unless maybe say Asante Kotoko ne be ba the contract na run out
sisi akwa me dia akwa ye ne ye say contract no Nyankopon ya adoma after this season contract ni wu. Enti player na say on kan to say me pese me ko free. Oh, o dia mano. Oh, me management ye steady contract no. Ye hwem. Na bosom ye twem, bosom mienu, bosom miensa. Ye hwem. Obo so wa shada de abrɛw. Contract na ha no na mani nye ho nti se nka ye betimi review a na o dia ma wo. No akwa review aba. O de ba o san so ubehwem before you realize na mre ne kwa na ekono
but big me bisa wo as scenario now dey mame no say ono ne nka ncha Asante Kotoko so person ko free buy obe try so be delay but Asante Kotoko a professional club
yeah
oma a lot of transfers
yeah
omo wo mpanyifo di boboko ni mo nimde
yeah
so if player person be extend no person ko free a science ni issue
yes
it said here oni oba bi wo ho a oba na afede ompe obi ono ompese obeka chro by ne ye na obesho no e che se on film
o de woni to form obi hu
un se ababa we on film nti se baby se Kamara yes ade and dia cha Asante Kotoko science no ye no betime hu
Sure.
It's also one Kotoko acting them no.
It's Kumasi Asante Kotoko say acting them. But in situations like this, Kwame, say when it comes to contractual issues, there should be a mutual agreement.
And so.
It's a name I'm going to say. Kumasi Asante Kotoko beti me a club di aba. But say Kamara beji atum se team way out di aba me pe. And also a different issue. As we speak, there are offers on the table for Kamara.
Yeah, offers so.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko receiving offers
For Kamara.
For Kamara. Eti Kumasi Asante Kotoko adwene mu pone say ya na be ye dia omo wura January mu na se hwe ansesa omo be ton abrante na manako.
That's simple.
Yes, but the woman to biem ne say emra ne to ma ne ho kwan say ye wura January ni mu a ono to timi sha ase de club bia di nkomo.
Yeah.
Because the contract no e be ka less than 6 months. Eti what is the guarantee say offer na wo di ba no no ne pe. Aha na ye clubs ne bre no.
A big issue biggie. O eto de bia ho. On say ya na ye tai be di nkomo ye ana ye criticizing clubs no administrators ne say na ye omutaija players mum ko free no. But I say we deal with such situations with her. Obeti ase because
Yeah.
Kotoko ankasa as a football club no. Me di player bi enu ma sa situation a ya fam bi pe. Kotoko player no Kotoko for say on person mo eja ne kwan. Team na Kotoko edema player no. Na 2 clubs player ne se chinchina ompe. Ana team ni Kotoko ka say player ne nkofa club mbra. Ye ma club. O se ompe. Ene e kofa o de ebra won so si oni bi.
Onya bi.
So the best thing is saying just a team need terminate.
Aye.
And na termination is so ba ka say
supporters ne champion for tiase. But we am panyifo ni situation o mo ne corner na player ne de o makoche na. Because say obema player na tena honom. Na watua ne kabosumi bia. Knowing clearly say player asem say me ya dan won me nto to biem de. Ene nka me twam na nka me service sika na me de ma no bosumi bia for the next 6 months now. Metimi de no na to de aya de foforo. So when it gets to situations like this, in panyifo say kasa dem about Kumasi Asante Kotoko company for no should know how to talk to the player and his agency.
Yeah, no ada no.
Yes. And until they be a make us football as a todd almost the same ma. It's a so crono. Now we not the wo hwehwe free on one nchen. It be do time say ya e ya krokro ne adefe na ye de ben. And the wom. Sa na sesa ade ne kokoye. Enya sa yeti krom hanum say. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ama boys ne the opportunity the platform me gitum so omo so abodi aboa Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye no kre. But Kamara when he came to Ghana na me preview to nkomo bi oni obi adi oso ono woni krom no at the point no na national team ni bi ko but we losing the slot for national team mu no no oni se Kotoko ye big club enti oba Ghana ba be da Kotoko no the national team asako
ana yesi so asako
and the last international break by no ni country ne frɛ no e ma ne koye
because of
Kotoko enti die nti o de bae no wanya enti se akobata Kumasi Asante Kotoko so wanya ne so mfa so a na Kotoko aye bad business.
Yeah.
Enti the IMC empanifo bi o mo ka bi wo mo Kumasi Asante Kotoko a mo betimi ni player na kasa na player na rescinding the decision ko ne de o mo ma player ni hu so mba gya to mo mema na ko na emom o mo pe kaka de aye de ben e de free ne so na player ni nya sa adwene mu fine no no mu nyina nyintum na player ne nkoda Kumasi Asante Kotoko nye kaka kwa me Peter Amidu akwa ya be kasa asemu yi wa hadawo
ne kai pa
yes Peter Amidu akwa se contract ne se nye bibi pa ne be sia on extend it akwara no wo ya obi hye ni mu
yeah ya no de ewom
yes ya wo ne hye ni mu ni nyina na ye se onya offer a ne se so mo ma ne ko Germany Freiburg o ma na nko e na so mu ade ba ye no mo ma so mu akoi
by un say sa Peter Akwade no enye se me defend Asante Kotoko mpanyimfo mpanyimfo mo da Asante Kotoko ano no omudwu medie ni ye say the first thing is to protect Asante Kotoko interest.
Sure.
Omo da Asante Kotoko ano no na pinka ne mpanyimfo no omo de ni ye say omo protect Asante Kotoko interest no sa Peter Akwade dudie no the reason why Asante Kotoko ama na ntu kwan ni nyina na ye say one bena somwade na bena somwade ni ye loan
yeah
ana Peter Akwade ni ye permanent
yeah
But Asante Kotoko hu office ni mienu no. Na bena so mwade na ye loan impokra no eye lucrative.
That's kind of was so
change. Peter Akwade no.
Yeah.
Enti se wo ye Kotoko panyi a, the best thing is any de ye lucrative no memi ni kama eno ne nko. Esa ye loan. Ana ma bena so mwa koy. Omo nim se Peter Akwaye young guy or talent at age one side. Enti definitely say oboba akumienu bi kan obenya big offer. Enti at that moment na Asante Kotoko company for so protect the club interest. Maybe Peter Akwa so ehun ne say a opportunity and consumer one also so again on so there no.
Yes.
The same way as Asante Kotoko so sa ehun ne the Asante Kotoko for year no. In a way na me timpanyi for say.
Oh, he was right. Because ujitum say football ni a business there. Then Kumasi Asante Kotoko as a business entity, a football club, no, definitely, Oberisi Kasem are involved. Yeah. But Akwadane, they said you're okay, no. So how do you that's so sharp, Akwadane? Because imagine Ghana any player was to our ball. Now, when your baby, I said Germany, come here, Ethiopia, Iraq, cry,
Tanzania, money,
yeah, quack, bo. Ebia Iraq, you to me a training what to say bomb to watch. So you could never quack, Kakre, the baby, fear bedinti. No bianya Germany, a Bundesliga club. Now I'm an uncle, and that's all Akwadane mu. But baby, I didn't have a Bruno. Pitami do aqua. Se French for an entiasia, yen you chromo for an idiot, told I na you will bobinia, dear, a man penny for me.
Big and no crazy as a song. As a song. Because they say in the play, piano. Problem I want ye players in the clubs in facing ye say, mini biggie. And you see, I can yen and yes so. Your man temu, your bo coast team, your bo second division, your bo first division.
Yeah. And
I will biggie. Me no see a kind of me opportunity to coin. Me too coin me buy no. Me sorte boys, me $8 no.
Unya mind kramati se usifie.
Usifie. Also so me no na so e bet me mpokra ba say me kra na me ya de esen wo. Ana me menya opportunity to coin.
Sure.
Enti me so me hwe sa na me so menya opportunity kakra bia wo say me ko
pentemako.
Enti eto de me so players ne so no ntimi so blame wo mu.
De bi omo de blame omo enye. Enti parties ni mienu no kwame. E nkomo na sese ekoso na ba akunya ntiase. Na ba akudi ba akoso mfaso because at least Pitami do kita the talent. But without the Kotoko platform, why na name Pitami do akwa?
True.
No be anymore. No. Kumasi Asante Kotoko a man opportunity from a lower division team Park Academy. Inte bia oda so bo parka. And as I said you mfefo na na no bo park no. And na dodo san mpo na nipa te omudin wo Ghana ha sei. Eti at least yes. And into the penifo kasa bi to be your papa no how. Because if you don't kwa kodru kana bia. Na se nka o take decision bi but at least utwa wani hwe wachi. Na wo kai de mre bi o ye ma wo no a de asie bia se utwa so na wo jai maneka. Enti akwada no ene ni agency no. De omo hwehwa ma akwada no ye den. Ene se akwada no betu kwan. Peter Midu akwa. I am one of the people that me feel say onya akwanto nteme bebo ano.
Yeah, Peter.
Talent ne wo ho. But he still looks raw.
The last time kana make us asem na the bitter truth.
Yes.
Ye nyina ye pese ye players a enim se omunim ball no omutimi wo ye league ni mu che. By baby a football na ekon the way see kono. Peter Kwesa. Untimi develop it to a certain stage no.
Yeah.
Ana ye say so bet na kroma say per develop na be den. The best option for him say also to kwin no ko baby a ombetimi develop no.
Ohia certain facilities and proper coaching.
Yeah.
Onya saade na obetimi abe the kind of player you expect, and at the end of the day okọ na semfaso bi ba enye Kumasi Asante Kotoko nko Ghana nyina be di akwada ne to mfaso nti omu ni nkomo no mo hwe bebie ebesi na Kumasi Asante Kotoko ma players ne nko na kakra omu benya afrim no omu mfa to futu no omu mfa mo team ne ho bra 2 years supporter na se Pitami do akwa Kamara kwa na nsem ewom nie kwa me hwe anse sakura e bia na samba kura be ka ho
we Kotoko nkomo ne de na ye be sa ba so biem mame nsam ye nko ye next topic so on say nyame ya adoma weekend di Ghana Premier League match the 11 e be koso Asante Kotoko de on say omabo 9 games because of Africa no mo standing game.
Yeah.
By generally ya bought 10 games for Ghana Premier League ye come match the 11.
Yeah.
Mame mbusaw ye be rem after 10 games for Ghana Premier League you know u general assessment saying ana Ghana Premier League no see one after match the 10 TV coverage no players no publicity teams na ho boaboa ni nyina no we general assessment e Ghana Premier League after match day 10.
Kwame Mama Shas from officiating. Recently, I've seen a lot of videos, especially about Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I circulate on the media. Certain decisions are in favor of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and the Pado wanna feel say, ABA decisions I need to say Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kotoko diane eka. But when it comes to officiating in Ghana, it is a general problem.
Big one.
A general problem. This season, Unya Kwanya Nimpeni form handle Ghana Premier League clubs na di nkomo. Especially on certain matches. Ebia public ni nye preview too. Ebia Emma TV so. Yenya bi nhwe. Ene niyema bi atode sisi wo those matches ni mu a. Ose cramp an hwe befem. And when it comes to officiating, I can't be affect Ghana football. Begitum said the world all over referees make mistakes, but there are times that there are genuine mistakes. Genuinely, who's the referee decision here will take it here? And just a bad day in the office. Say koko basa supporters don't do one ni panayagre, but at also bako miensa. Na yakwa yes as a nipa bi na abo mutirimu pono mu take certain decisions. And imagine people that would want to watch the Ghana Premier League or big Gary Afanika free no ababa betena stadium. Na ebia ni team are supporting no. Or feel the referee are taking decision be at team no and then agene mfa. Kwame, such a person, do you think that the following weekend obesan so aba stadium to obehebo?
David.
Because ababa betoni team say me ko impo, me team na ye kwa tisi no. I didn't na me pay me baby ntina. It is the referees review committee, the appointment committee. The omobetimi aya fa ho say refresher courses, say ye kasa no many referees ne be kasa. Any de be ya, omone referees ne kasa. No mun take the right decisions in fama in our games. E ka ho, and be boama your football na grow. Because we be preparing the team. Abo ho ka, e train throughout the week, not just because of a single decision. Enti team ni preparation wa ye nyina mfa so maso no be lose 3 maximum points there. Yes sir, omo adabraka. Omo nya bibi mfa sa ade ne ho mfa mayen. Kwame, coverage. There have been a bit of lapses. Na me feel say the production team at this productions can still do more. Because especially it was okay. But I couldn't nim kakano. It looks like and say coverage in each other and your papa. I thought that camera angles a problem, kaka. Clarity of the videos and pictures from the Maya Campo Stadium. No. I thought that a problem, kaka. It is some of these things. So much no ma better no so the Amaya. You feel sanke beboa. Aside eno. Ya jitum sa Ghana Premier League ne be shasi and there are certain venues are. Omo de bama ye hunu yes a venue way there. Yentimi nkonko twabo honom. Because enya fit for make us a TV broadcast. Until the last time I had to focus on do. Now ye this sound common. But upon further checks, listen na mehuno swadronim. Yes, it is a yanunti no man kwanko twana dia mini problem. But the mate teacher say Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne summer text game no. Ebia na no so man timi ansan kwanko twa.
Ewo insenchi. By say how the uncle.
Meanwhile, stadium na ya approve say yetimi Premier League games so no. Insenchi ka ho.
So is it about say omo nyoma gadgets na quick?
I don't know. So we are entering another weekend da. Yenya Kotoko nhwe yenya house nhwe because house e kobo young apostles. Ewo wanchi. Stadium na nya fit say e be TV Ghana Premier League games. Etiano ne de nya ade omo be kwa akoyi. But in Century de na ya fit ya pass it. Say you betimi ayi Premier League games wo honom no. Eno nso so nkonko twa. O reason ne sen.
Say big betimi so aba say production team no ne Ghana Football Association ne way ehu ne say on say Asante Kotoko ne has ne so a omo matches na oyi ani pa behwe. But in a way ade ne enhwe other clubs ne so mfa enyi omo matches ma other nipa dodo ompe Ghana Premier League ne Ghana football ne be mu other teams no omo modern boss so because mostly be mu say team bi bo against Kotoko against Kotoko so maybe some so decide say ombe ma other clubs no enye Kotoko ne has nkwa ne ehu teams no other teams no how wo mu sisi a kind of talents wo ho
Kwame once I maska ye ma teams ni nyina ska na de clearly me gitum say see you obi a match But menu me nso ba gia tum say all over the world league BMU the top clubs in the league and the tone league you know. And then the promo league you know. Menya sure so ko Spanish La Liga mu sesia on be prioritizing matches between Abia Elche and any other team than Real Madrid or Barcelona games.
So omo is different.
Debbie
Omo is different.
Different na yen kwame.
Omo ho no. Yemfa say omo gadgets, omo equipment e betime yi we and at times omo hye no nyina nti. On see ha say no fa ne say Real Madrid dey out the example betime yi we dey na awia na we abona na juba ha say no. Stay venues do send our floodlights. Nti a difference.
Mete dey all can say. But at least Abia Saturday and Sunday. Say what I say.
So may be Saturday, no may be Sunday.
No may be Sunday. But Saturday and Sunday ni nyina no. Ye nya kotoko match nhwe nya house match nhwe. That is what I am talking about. At least ba kokra.
Ana me busa say on see a share season ase no. Kotoko ne house matches no. Adisa production for no you kotoko ne house matches do na me ahwe. Which are very good and me gitu mu say kotoko ne house ni yebetimi dia ton ye league no. But maybe some so mpanyimfo so atena se hu say it shouldn't be kotoko ne house nkwa match na ye telecast. Maybe he say Samates be ne Nations FCB bar. You bet me you know before frost so hu de ekoso ewo. Maybe he say yen hwe mo matches talent bi wo ho because all the show be to say Richmond Opoku. Sa young apostles guy. Sanka ade sanka ye tai hwe young apostles sanka. Obebo kotoko no. Anka nya de 115 when Emily Pabebre. Enti maybe so hu say yen telecast other clubs ne so de na nkofo so hu talents wo ho.
Me ni problem. And it's make us at least Saturday and Sunday in Kotoko and has back.
It's Kotoko ne has na
back one dear at a sen come here. 1 dear between these two things back dear.
85
and the third weekend be a back.
There it is that meant me in send any wafa car na baby or more akosho mo match kakra.
And you be at the be a call. See at least 1 dear. Omunya bibi kakra mfa ho. Yes, come after no. Publicity. Honestly speaking, almost every season, we hear publicity. A year has always been the journalist.
Yeah, which are true.
And some trophy. And your clubs, no, and your football association, no, and you be and some trophy. And just like we've seen in the previous seasons, the Ghana Premier League is being sold out to the public through the media. It's when it comes to publicity there. And some trophy from any of the SSO, the Omoya pa. Said the time will be a Omoyano. It's a born some trophy on a basso underscore. But clubs and Ankasa, even if the Football Association wouldn't do it, do a more responsibility to come a product in Omodia. But so many clubs Nankasa say facade in some material. Because two games, no, na niema ko ye de mamo. Na say at least u bo home na supporters e ba. Wo team na wo gisika de go bottom. Wo game no na ekoye to the outside world. Wo na wo kwa sponsorship dia baba be go bottom. Enti your clubs no should do more. So wo hwe Kotoko, wo hwe Abia Heart, wo hwe media ma have be any go start. Some of these clubs are. What dream by you say omo ye very well on the media space, especially social media. Enti publicity no was wrong. But your league, it is not about just them alone. Yeah. Other teams is to involve it. Your teams be on man throughout the week. Ebi a obe be on the social media handler. No kobo match weekend.
One club me bona baso this season. Eba yenye publicity for your matches. Enye Kotoko ana has kwa no obesi oma. Eduana Stars this season. Eduana Stars this. Na omo taye. Anete kodai by this season. Eduana Stars team biom ne bobu biom make sure say stadium on ombenya nipa. Omo kwa we omo ye. I think say Eduana Stars in terms of publicity this season I would say me the
support omo de kwa we krampo na previous seasons me who nations are all yes but this time around and so kwa bibi e ho nti yemo Eduana Stars so abaso they are doing very well.
I mean push you after 10 games for Ghana Premier League club be na impress o.
Kwame Eduana Stars.
Eduana Stars.
Yes.
By Mediama the first.
Yes, Mediama the first.
Eduana Stars.
Say Mediama consistency for the past 3 seasons are. Team now washishe any baby baba be do say order first enya wanwa. But Eduana Stars last season enye chuba ristic and buy nanka Eduana Stars beat me a relegation. You bought first 10 matches last season Eduana win 2. We draw 5 and we lose 3. But this season Eduana Stars after first 10 matches say we need 6. I draw 2 no lose 2. It's the kind of change but just from last season. Men can say within a year, because your ball last season we 1 year my, but there have been massive improvements. And Diana Stars Bobo Kulima. So far, Diana Stars competition or the more that's one on the me are impressed with the Diana Stars performance.
Yaba Kono after 10 games of Ghana Premier League so far, our best player or the
my best player
after 10
Ghana
games.
Premier League so far. Me go for Emmanuel and Nations.
Emmanuel.
Yes, Nations FC.
After 10 games.
After 10 games, on my best player.
Okay.
Looking at how and the team didn't but he always tries to carry the team on his shoulders. Okay. Me go for him, and I'm a disappointing team. The Nations.
Nations.
Aye.
So,
Nations FC.